Hello YouTube family, welcome to my channel. My good name is Sharon Shagiri and this is Cooking with Shani, where we obviously talk about cooking ideas for the common African kitchen, lifestyle, diets, and of course our cooking esteem is improved here at Cooking with Shani. If you're listening to me for the first time, please do give me your subscription and like my video. Most of all, click on the notification bell to get all my cooking updates. And today family, we are making yummy ice cream from scratch using very simple ingredients and common kitchen appliances, and it is relatively easy to make. You can try this with your friends and family over this festive season. So let us get to making our ice cream. For my ice cream, I need 1 liter of milk. You need to boil and cool this milk until it's cold. Not warm, but cold. You also need 400 grams of whipping cream, and this is the brand I use. You can always get it at Naivas. Red Square whipping cream, 400 grams. This is about 2.5 cups of whipping cream. You also need your assorted flavors of essence. With me, I have clear vanilla essence. I also have strawberry essence. I have choco vanilla essence that you are going to blend with about a teaspoon of chocolate. You also need a whisker so that you can stir your whipping cream in your milk. And you need a blender and of course your fridge. So welcome, and let us start the process of making ice cream. So friends, I am adding my 2.5 cups of whipping cream into this 1 liter of milk, and I'm going to stir everything until I get a good consistency. This is what I have. Not too heavy, not too light. So I'm going to let this set in my fridge for 30 minutes. And if you are putting it in your freezer, let it stay there for around 10 minutes until it is semi-solid. So see you after 30 minutes. So friends, after 30 minutes, this is the consistency I'm having. It's not so thick, but it's semi-solid. The outer edges were about to start freezing and forming, and this is when we get to the blending. So I will be adding a bit of this into my blender, then add my essence and blend until this mixture is thick enough. Then I will store this in 3 containers. So the first flavor will be vanilla, followed by strawberry, then chocolate flavor. In case you are not getting this consistency after 30 minutes, you can let it stay in your fridge for a longer period, even 2 to 3 hours, until you just get this kind of consistency. So friends, I'm going to start with the vanilla ice cream. To this, I'm going to add my clear vanilla essence. I will add a bit of this. I love vanilla, so I would love to have more of it in my blend. I will then cover this and blend it until it really thickens up. So I will start my blender and we will observe through this pinhole and see how our blend is thickening up. I am done with my vanilla ice cream, so I'm going to cover this ready for refrigeration. Next, I will move to strawberry and I will follow the same procedure. And finally, for my chocolate flavor, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of cocoa powder. I forgot and called it chocolate when I was introducing my ingredients. And for each of these, I'm also adding 2 tablespoons of the essence. The purpose of blending the ice cream is to make it smooth. It may not be as smooth as what we get with an ice cream making machine, but the blender just does the perfect job for us. So let us wind this up by blending our chocolate ice cream. Nice! Chocolate flavor is what I fancy the least, so I didn't take into consideration making a lot of it. So I'm going to store this in the refrigerator under the freezing section overnight. So tomorrow we will check on our ice cream once it has frozen very well. My storage containers can be found at any supermarket outlets, and this is what we use for takeaway meals, and you can buy them at a very affordable price. I bought mine at 20 shillings each, and this is about 400 grams of ice cream. So in total here we have about 1 kg of ice cream, considering this is almost halfway. The next day, friends, my ice cream is ready. I actually experienced a small challenge. There was a power outage where I stay by the time I was waking up, so this had to stay in the freezer for a much longer time, and that is why we are having some cracks on our ice cream. Otherwise it is just very okay and ready for serving. And when you want to scoop your ice cream so well, just place your scooping spoon in warm water so that you dip it in warm water and you scoop your ice cream. It makes your ice cream have a smooth scoop. Another thing I wanted to talk about is the temperature of the milk. When you are preparing your ice cream mixture, ensure your milk is very chilled. It should be very cold and not warm. You can also use the liquid whipping cream instead of the powder. You can also use condensed milk instead of milk, but you know this comes at an expense. Condensed milk is very expensive. So I will go to scooping my ice creams one by one. Finally, here is my ice cream, guys. It's very smooth and it's very sweet. I hope you've learned something today. Don't forget to give this video a like. See you in my next video. Bye.